Welcome back. It is the morning after. We've got, last night we ended with the GrimmSpeed bypass valve install on my car. Now I'm just gonna put the Fender shrouds that Mike got me for Christmas. I already removed the little clips. There's one here, and then this kind of sits behind the hood strut mount right here, like that. There's a little hole for that, a little hole for here. Throw this for the pup. And then there's 10mm nut, little bolt and washer that come through here. You get two, one for here, one for the other side, and then you're going to reuse your little clip here. I'm trying to do this by myself. My wife is getting the house cleaned up in there. I'm trying to put this on for y'all. Alright, a little clip here. I'm just going to go right here in this back one. This hardware down. Just push down. Come on, little clip. There we go. Just like, okay. I don't know how much of that got recorded or not because the battery died. You're just reusing one of your OEM clips right here in the back, and then a little nut right here, tighten it. Now we're gonna do the other side. Okay. You can just, I don't know, if you got long enough fingernails, you can just grab this little clip, pop it out yourself, or you can use flathead. Out. And then you don't have to, but I was using a rag to just kind of wipe it up. There's a little bit of dirt. Maybe there's something better, but just give it a quick wipe down so it looks nice and clean. I mean, the parts that the shroud is not going to cover, because it kind of just exposes a lot more of the Fender than what the GrimmSpeed covers, or what any aftermarket one covers. All right, too easy. Squeeze this clip in here. All right. Back of the hardware. There we go. There we go. That's showing a little better. And we're just giving it, making it nice and snug. Oh, got that on there backwards. Alright, so there you have it. Really easy install. Now we've got alright, that's gonna do it. Look at that. GrimmSpeed Fender Shrouds to replace my OEM ones. This was a Christmas present from Mike. That looks pretty cool. I thought it was going to be like maybe a little bit too much red, but it looks nice. And of course, no surprise, because everything that GrimmSpeed makes is nice. So there you guys have it. Hopefully you guys I don't know, pick something up. Hopefully you guys had fun watching, like always. Bye, Mindy.